Hi, we got a Subaru Impreza today in our unit. So when the car came to us, we straight away noticed that having a misfire on it. And we couldn't see an engine light. And we discovered the previous owner, he done a dodgy thing, put a sticker on it. So what we're gonna do now, put an analyzer on it and have a look what are the fault codes, and we see after that. Yeah, thank you. So what I done now, I took the clock out and I discovered previous owner, he put a sticker on here to cover the engine management light. That's not good for the if you have a car, if you have an engine problem, you never ever do this. Go for a proper mechanic or technician and short the car and repair it. Or if you don't have the if you have a financial situation, leave that is it, but never do this, never ever. If you're in a motor trade, never ever do this. Okay, now we can see the check engine light. So we're gonna analyze we got about 9 faults for the engine control. So we're gonna have a look. Okay, we got mass airflow sensor, circuit low, cylinder 4 misfire, cylinder 3 misfire, cylinder 2 misfire, cylinder 1 misfire, and intake air temperature sensor open, circuit malfunction, map sensor, O2 sensor, and secondary air pressure sensor. So first of all, so we're gonna have a look about the mass airflow sensor, and after that this cylinder misfiring, need to have a look because this all cylinders misfiring. So I assume it's going to be a electric fault because this all the 4 cylinders misfiring. So we're gonna have a look now. Right, in Subaru box engines, the cylinder layout is cylinder 1, 2, 3 and 4. The firing order should be 1, 3, 2, 4. So I'm gonna have a look now. Take the air cleaner out and access to 1 and 3 ignition coils over there. Just have a look about the plugs and the connectors, and we take the ignition coils out, check the coils, and we'll see after that. When I discovered all the coils fine, the electrical system there's no faults, but I found the spark plugs is not in good condition, so I changed the spark plugs and problem sorted. Now his car is no engine light and he's driving